Hey everyone, welcome back to our tutorial and game developing series. This is episode 2 and today we are diving right into setting up a brand new third-person template project. We will also integrate the gameplay ability system using C++, but don't worry, you won't have to type every line of code yourself. I placed all the code snippets in the description, so just grab them as we go and paste them into your project. First, launch Unreal Engine and choose the third-person template. Make sure you select Blueprint, then pick your target platforms. Give your project a name in East tutorial series. Hit create and wait for the editor to load up. Once you're in the editor, head over to Edit Plugins. In the search bar, type Gameplay Abilities. Enable that plugin. Close the window and restart the editor when prompted. After restarting, go to Editor Preferences. Find Live Coding and turn it off because gas can get finicky if live coding is on. Now with the plugin enabled and live coding turned off, let's set up our attributes class. Click File.new C++ class, then search for AttributeSet. Select AttributeSet and click Next. Give it a name. Mine is DevAttributes since my character is named Dev. Click Create Class and Visual Studio will open automatically. When it opens, you will see a default Build.cs file. Erase all of that code and replace it with the snippet I provided in the description. This step is mandatory. Without it, your gameplay abilities won't compile properly. Next, open DevAttributes.h and DevAttributes.cpp. Copy and paste the code from the description into those files. In my example, I'm setting up health, key and curse as our character's stats. Feel free to tweak or rename those to fit your own game. If you run into any issues, drop a comment below and I'll help you troubleshoot. In the next episode, we'll set up our ability class and start creating actual gameplay abilities. For now, thanks so much for watching. Catch you in the next episode.